Guys, Mark the Mentor here, back with another video. All right, this video I want to talk about purchasing your first box truck or cargo van for your business. All right, so a lot of people come to me with this issue, which really isn't even an issue. It's actually a pretty simple solution that I'm really surprised a lot of people don't know this, but there's a lot of things I didn't know when I was first getting started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this video and kind of break this down for you. All right. So you go out, you get your LLC or you get incorporated, and now you want to purchase a vehicle for either your box truck business or your cargo van business. And what a lot of people are asking me, well, how do I get funded? My business doesn't have any credit history. And it's quite simple. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to personally guarantee your business. You're going to be the personal guarantor for the business. Now, I know some people are asking me, hey, Mark, what's that? All right. So in layman's terms, you're going to personally co-sign for your business. All right. You're going to co-sign for your business. It's simple. It's as simple as that. All right. So you get your LLC, you get your corporation, you have no business credit. Now, this is only going to work if you have fair to good personal credit. All right. You got to be somewhere in the fair, let's say fair to great. All right. Great meaning the best. All right. All right. So somewhere between fair and great personal credit. And then depending on where you're at between that fair and great, as far as your credit score is going to determine what type of commercial interest rate, all right, you're going to get. All right. So it's as simple as that. You're going to personally guarantee for the business. You're going to co-sign for the business. It's something that's been around for a long time. The reason why a lot of institutions no longer just allow new businesses and just trust new businesses is because, back like in the 80s and the 70s and before that, a lot of these corporate businessmen would just jump from one LLC and corporation to the next, purchase things, and just let the LLC or the company collapse and create a new one and just get things under that business. A lot of wealthy businessmen that you guys know today were guilty of doing that back in the day. Donald Trump was one of them. All right. So it's just as simple as that. I had to do it. Most people have to do it. It's not a big deal. And then once you do it that first time, most institutions after that first time and you've deemed yourself trustworthy after that first purchase, then that next go around, if you use that same lender again, they'll allow you to purchase whatever it is you're trying to purchase on this next go around solely under the company. This goes for purchasing vehicles. This could go for business loans, lines of credit, purchasing other pieces of equipment, even when you get to the point where you want to lease vehicles, not like your equipment vehicles, but let's say, the business is doing really well and you want to get a vehicle, like a vehicle to drive, you lease it under your business. Even then, they're going to want you to personally guarantee it the first go around to, they want some type of collateral, and then your personal credit is going to be that collateral. It's a backup for them. So if the business collapses or the business folds, then you are personally going to be held responsible for maintaining that lease payment or that finance agreement. All right. So real simple, guys. Everybody asks me that question all the time. So I just thought I'd shoot a video for it. www.boxtruckcourses.com for your one-on-one mentorship with me, Mark the Mentor. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the upcoming videos every Tuesday night here on YouTube, the Mentors Podcast with me, Mark the Mentor. I'm out.